Alright, greetings to the lecturer. My name is WONG HORNG JUN, TP061271. So today I'm going to present my MAE assignment here. So first of all, I'll click on my application called letGo. Now once I click on it, there will be a splash screen here that shows a welcoming icon or the logo to the user. Now the first screen that the user will see, it is the login screen. But I'll first move on to the register screen. So when user does not have an account, you click on don't have an account yet, register here. So when user click on register here, and there we go, the users can go to the register page. And if user wish to go back to the login screen, the user can click on login here to go back to the login screen. Now move on to the register screen. So to register an account, users are required to fill in all the fields here. Now what if the user did not fill in all the fields or there is an error? So when user click on sign up, there we go, they will say something is wrong and the incorrect or invalid part will be highlighted in the red. So let me just quickly register an testing account here. So and this password here, it's visible if I click on the icon here. Alright, so let's say I have keyed in everything but except for the confirm password, and I click on sign up, it will say something is wrong as well and highlight on which one is wrong. So as you all know, password and confirm password must be equal. So I'll fill in the correct password and confirm password, and once I click on sign up, it should be fine and login and registered the account in the Firebase authentication. Now after I click on sign up, it will go back to the login screen, and for the login screen, the logic is really similar. When user click on login without anything, it will show the dialog box saying that the login error, incorrect email address or password. And if user key in something that is incorrect and log in, the same dialog box will prompt out. So let me just go to the correct credentials here. Again, this is the icon where users can click on it and show the password. Now, after the credentials is correct and key in, the users will now be prompted to the main page of my system. So in the main page, it is named Discover. So in this main page, the users can see on all the available products listed by all the other users. There will be a search bar here and a plus icon on the top right to add the product, and also a bottom bar which users can navigate on each of the screen now. So all the cards here are using lazy vertical grid, where it is a mobile adaptive design here. So let me just click on the search bar and click and search for one of the products. So as you can see, if I search on outfit, the only product shown will be outfit set. Now what if I show something it is invalid? Now as you can see, it will show no result found. Alright, so I'll click on cross and go back. Yep. Alright, so now moving on to the plus icon here. When I click on the plus icon, it will show the add product screen, which users can see become a seller. And if the user wish to go back to the previous screen, user can click on this back button right here. Alright. So in this add a product screen here, similarly, when user click on create button, it will show also please fill in all valid fields and highlight all the fields that are incorrect or invalid. So now users can click on this box right here to select and insert a picture. Now due to the time being, I have already downloaded multiple pictures here, so let's say I'll choose this picture right here, and there we go, the pictures is inserted in this page here, and then I'll proceed to key in the name. Alright, and then the brand, I will go for something random, and the quality we can choose here is whether it is brand new, lightly used, or heavily used. So let's say I'll choose on light new, and the meetup location will be somewhere the user wants to, the seller, which is the user currently logged in that creates the product, wants the buyer to meet up. So let's say I want it to be let's say I want it to be Utah, Malaysia. All right, and then the price will be 20 ringgit, let's say. And after I click on create, and the screen will be revert back to the main page here. And once the user refreshes on the screen, and there we go, the newly product added is here. So both the price a bit and also the quality. Now, so this is pretty much the main page here, and moving on to the product details page. So once user click on the product details page, as you can see here, once I click on this milk boat here, so it will redirect user to the product details page. So product details page has everything that the user wants. So the user wants to see. Now the book details, the product image here, and then the product name, how many people that likes this. Currently is 0 because it is just newly added, and the description. So as you can see just now, that I added, I written good book, well treated. And for the specifications, what is the brand, what is the quality, and here, which is the meetup point, I implement a Google Map API where the user can see where is the exact location for the meetup point. So as you can see just now, I've inserted Utah, Malaysia, which is why in here you can see the exact location and the marker is marked on Utah, Malaysia. And user can click on zoom icon to see where is the place, and also zoom out to see more info of the map. And also there will be an arrow here where users can click on it to expand or not expand it. Alright, so moving on, here it will be the seller section where the user can see the seller who listed it. As I am the one who listed it, that's why the seller will be testing 123, and then where I'm from, and the number of the student ID, and also the contact number. And reviews, because there are currently no reviews, so it will say there are currently no reviews for this product. And on the very bottom we can see the price of the product, which is 20 ringgit. And if user click on light, the hub will become red color, and as you can see here on the light counter here, it says 1 light this. Now if I try to unlight it again, right, and go back up, it will show 0 lights this. Okay, so that is the context of if I'm the seller. So what if I'm clicking on other sellers product? So let's say I'm clicking on Logitech 433. All right, so similarly we have the image and all the details here. And then as you can see, the seller is from different person, which is Jun Wong, Asia Pacific University, the student ID, and the contact number here. And the reviews here, we can see someone actually bought from this seller and gave a review, which is good seller, and he is friendly. So if the product is from a different seller, there is a button here where the user can click on to make offer to the seller. So once everything, if the user is interested on this product and he has contacted the seller to liaise and communicate and talk to it about the price and all, the user can proceed to make offer here. So once user click on make offer, there will be original price here, which is 200, as you can see on the bottom bar here. But user can always try to bargain with the seller. Let's say I want to have 180 bucks instead of 200. So once user click on confirm, and then the button will change to offer sent, and now the user cannot click anything that there isn't anything, but only the message telling the users that the offer has been sent to the seller. All right. So now once the product has been sent to the seller, let's say this is the right. Right, so moving on to the next function will be the light page here. So once user click on light, and there we go, there will be a light page where users can see on what are the previous products that he has liked before. So as I presented just now, I have liked this product here, which is why it shows here. This is because when the products getting more and more, it might be difficult for users to get back to the product they liked. So which is why the like page is here. Now what if I click on light and dislike it, and once I go back, as you can see, the counter decreased to 0, and yep, when I go back, there are currently no reviews. So like this, and yep, there we go. The light product is showing on the light screen here. Now moving on to the offer screen here, the users can see the offers from what users and offers to what user from the user's perspective. So in the offers from, the users can see if there are no offers from any of the users. The user can see no offers or pending offers made at the moment. Now same goes to offers too. If there is no offer, they will show the same message here. But as I presented just now, I've made an offer to Jun Wong, which it will show the offer made here. So what I clicked was Logitech for 33, and then the offer price was originally 200. Now I offered 180 to the seller. Okay, so now I will go to the account, which is the Jun Wong account. Oops, sorry. Okay, so once I log in the Jun Wong account, when I click on offer, it will say that I have, now as you can see, I have two offers here, which is made by Wong Hong Jun, which is not me, but the user previously. Now this is me testing 1, 2, 3, so it says that I have the offer of 180 ringgit for what is the product and the product image, Logitech for 33, and the mouse, which is the product image, and also from what user. Now, if I don't want to, if I want to deny the offer, I feel like it's not good. It is always okay to just click on the cross button here. So, for example, I'll click on the cross button here, and after I click on the cross button, it will immediately delete the offer and telling users can make an offer again. Now, what if I click on the tick button here, which I accept the offer? I feel like 180 is a good deal to me, so I click on tick. And there we go, the offers here will be gone. And once I go back to the account which I used to make an offer to Jun Wong, so let's say I'm going back to it should be this. Okay, so as you can see from just now, make offer, after I make the offer, and it will become offer sent. Now offer sent, if the user, if Jun Wong, the seller, accepted my offer, it will become give review. So it is assumed that the deal has been done. So the user can give review now. Also once I click on give review button, it shows the a dialog box here where user can rate the seller. Let's say 4. I give it a 4-star and good trade, let's say, and I'll click on confirm. Now as you can see here in the reviews, it has my name here, how many stars are given, which is 4 stars, and also the review. I'll say good trade to the user. All right. Okay, so that is pretty much the flow for main page, and then the light page, also for the offer page. As you can see now here, if there is no offer to anybody else, it will say no offers made at the moment. Now moving on to the last page here, which is the profile page. In the profile page, the user can see the name of the users, from what school, which users key in just now during registration, and then sign out button here on the top right, also two tabs here, which is listing and reviews. So for listing, it will show all the listings created by the seller, which is testing 123 himself. And for reviews, it will show if the offer has been made to testing 123 and they accepted it, the deal is done, and the users give a review to testing 123, it will show the review here. But now there are currently no reviews, so that it shows the message there are currently no reviews here. Alright, so moving on to this pencil button here, when I click on this, it will show that I'm editing the profile of myself. So let's say I don't want to call it testing 123, I just want to call it myself testing, right? And then the user ID, I'll change it to 0011, and yep, the email will be test123. And for the password, it is okay to not change the password, so I'll leave it blank here. But if user wishes to change the password, they are always welcome to do so. Now, after I click on update and refresh, oops, all right. So after I click on update and refresh, it will show that the newly updated record here. And once user click on the listing, the self-listed listing here, and there we go, user can actually update their listing. So let's say I don't want to add this, I don't like this image, so I want to change it to the dog, let's say. Okay, and then I want to change the name to 123, and let's say the price I want to increase to 35, and update. Right, similarly, it will show the updated info now. So milk book 123, and then it changed the image here and also the price here. So everything changes here will be changed in the discover page as well, as you can see in the change here. And yep, so that is pretty much for the profile page here, where user can edit the profile and edit the listing, and also log out to the system. So once I log out, I will show lastly I will show how is the review look like. So now, as you can see here, there's someone review on the seller. So in the reviews tab here, the user can see the testing, and the user, which is named testing, given 4 stars, good trade, and Lim Heng Wang given 4 stars, which is and also good seller, friendly, as the review. Alright, so I think that's pretty much for my presentation. Thank you, and see you next time.